others aren't?
This kind of program absolutely helps build confidence in addition to the skills that these students learn. Right out of the mouth of one of our students involved in building this car, sitting in the car once it was complete, a number of the classes were able to take their finished vehicles out into a local community parade. And I had a teacher share with me that one of his students sitting next to him just was grinning from ear to ear, and he looked at him and he said, "What's up?" And he just said, "I can't believe I built this." So it's one of those things that you, because when the kit comes, it's in a lot of parts and it looks very complicated, and in the visits that we did with the students as they were building it, I had engineers with highest levels of degrees coming with me to visit and see this in action, in awe. That we had students in 8th grade all the way up to the seniors in high school building these things and so engaged and so involved in what appears to be very complex learning and program. And the kids are just so proud. Once the project is complete, they see it finished, the car actually operates and drives like it's supposed to. Really helps build a lot of confidence in these kids.